The world's tallest living tree, Hyperion, stands over 380 feet tall in California's Redwood National Park. Methuselah, a bristlecone pine, has been alive for over 4,800 years, making it one of Earth's oldest non-clonal organisms. Trees communicate through an underground fungal network, sharing nutrients and sending warning signals. A single mature tree can produce enough oxygen for 2 people to breathe for an entire year. The largest single living organism on Earth is not an animal, but a clonal colony of aspen trees named Pando in Utah. Baobab trees, native to Africa, can store thousands of gallons of water in their massive trunks to survive droughts. Arizona's Petrified Forest National Park showcases ancient trees turned to stone over millions of years by minerals. Trees act as natural air conditioners, lowering urban temperatures by 28 degrees Celsius through evapotranspiration. Beyond air, trees help prevent soil erosion, reduce noise pollution, and provide crucial wildlife habitats. Estimates suggest there are over 3 trillion trees on Earth, but deforestation continues to reduce this number rapidly.